Hey guys, welcome back to Arry The Stag. TR Tony here. This week's video is all about Mike, who's down in Sydney, Australia. And we're going to go down under very shortly and see his lovely looking white stag, and he'll give us a bit of an update on that. Stay to the end, by the way, because you'll see some really nice scenery towards the end of the video. Thanks for all our newly founded staggers on the premium channel. If you want to have a look at the Arry The Stag premium channel offering, then check out the link in the description and the link below. Meanwhile, a bit of an update on Arry The S. As you know, the engine is currently being rebuilt by a local engineering shop, so we hope to get some more information about that very soon. And we thought, whilst the engine is actually out of the car, we get Andy the Clutch to have a look at the Borg-Warner gearbox. So Arry and I dropped the Borg-Warner gearbox out the other night, and that's now being, or will be being, checked out as well. False economy otherwise, just to go with it as it was. And so I'll bring you up to date as soon as we can on all of that once we've got that done. And I might even do a quick video of the gearbox for one of the next couple of weekends, so look out for that. Now, Mike's been on the channel before with some issues to do with his brake hoses, but if you want to find out more about that, go to the end of the video and you can check the link there. But he wrote in a few months ago giving us a little bit of background about that. This time he's going to go for a drive down under. Let's join him in the garage.
Okay, fluids checked. This thing hasn't run in about 3 months, I suppose. It's been really rubbishy weather. Okay, a little bit of choke. Let's see how we go. Slightly leaky silly fan. That's sweet. Take it out for a drive in a short while. Hey, so I thought I'd give you a little update. You'll recall I sent to you ages ago the disastrous brake issues I'd got, and with all the water and stuff inside them. Anyway, all of that's fixed and replaced. I'll show you in a short while and so on. This is the first time it's been out in a couple of 3 months really. You can listen to how she's running. And as I've mentioned before, these are Australian produced, theoretically manufactured stags, so they haven't really had the same issues in terms of weather and salt on the roads that afflict the ones we have in the UK. There's a little weeping here, just a little bit, but not too bad. Here's more of what we like to see. Yeah, oh, hear the birds in the background there. These need a bit of love and attention and everything else, but overall it seems, you know, fairly true, and the temperature runs really, really good. Oh, that's been idling for a little while now and stuff, but it always stays in that sort of territory. On a really hot day, 35 degrees or whatever, I have put in the automatic fan. So this is Balmoral. These are bumps. Boathouse, or boat shed. Nice not to have any rain, isn't it?
Yeah. Got some hairy legs there.
I don't think anyone wants to see those. The beach too. I'll turn up Balmoral Burn and you can have a little view as we go up there.
Okay. Pretty buildings and stuff.
And turn around. Show the back as we go up the hill.
Oh, that.
Steep climb. Give it some more again. Lovely. Stag and the streets of San Francisco. You won't know that, Phil, but there's some twisty roads on that city.
Oh.
Yeah. Our audience will.
Well, sincere thanks, Mike, and your very able camera assistant there. A fantastic film. Thank you for sharing that with us. And do watch out for another video that Mike's done on his Peugeot 504. We'll share that with you in the next few weeks on the channel. Now, if you want a Arry The Stag badge of honour, then please get in touch. Equally, we have a Saturday Sockets email on a Saturday. It's a free email. You can sign up for that for more off-camera shenanigans. And don't forget to have a look at the premium offering for Arry The Stag for much more behind-the-scenes videos and footage and premium Facebook group and everything. So all in the description below. Meanwhile, have a great week and we'll see you online on Arry The Stag very soon. Cheers for now. Bye.